Over 50. Perimenopause can cause stubborn belly fat and sudden fatigue. Don't stress your joints with heavy workouts. This gentle Tai Chi melts waist tension, balances your hormones, and makes you feel 10 years lighter. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Alternating belly rubs. Stand with feet apart, gently rubbing your belly up and down. This stimulates abdominal circulation, relieves bloating, and aids digestion. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 2. Wide hip circles. Place hands on your hips and draw wide, gentle circles. This loosens stiff pelvic joints, improves hip mobility, and stimulates lower abdominal flow. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 3. Belly tuck and arm spread. Inhale as you tuck your belly in, then exhale, bending elbows to spread your arms and squeeze your back. This activates deep core muscles and tones your waistline. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 4. Side step and shoulder touch. Step side to side while extending arms straight. Then bend elbows to touch your shoulders. This accelerates full body calorie burn and releases shoulder tension. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 5. Waist pinch and pull. Gently pinch the excess fat on your waist, slowly squeezing and pulling toward the navel with each exhale. This stimulates local circulation and targets stubborn waist fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Lunge, knee lift and arm swing. Lift your back knee forward, swinging the same arm straight back and bending the other arm up. This boosts core stability, burns belly calories and improves balance. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Torso twist and waist pat. Twist gently left and right, alternating hands to tap your belly and lower back. This eases spinal stiffness, stimulates internal organs and promotes healthy digestion. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Arm circle and forward push. Extend your arms forward. Circle them inward with bent elbows and push straight out. This opens chest tightness, relieves shoulder tension, and calms menopausal hot flashes. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Lunge with forward palm push. Step forward into a gentle lunge and push your hand ahead, alternating sides. This strengthens your lower body, engages deep core control, and helps burn visceral fat. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Weight shift with elbow breathing. Shift weight onto your front leg. Exhale as elbows pull down. Inhale as they lift up. This regulates deep breath, calms hormonal fluctuations, and releases waist tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Back step lunge and arm reach. Step one foot back into a gentle lunge. Reach one arm straight up while bending the other at your chest. This tones deep abdominal muscles, burns belly fat, and enhances hip mobility. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Chest expansion and elbow spread. Bend elbows in front of your chest, then open wide to the sides as you lift your head and expand your chest. This releases chest tightness, corrects posture, and calms menopausal mood swings. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Belly rub and arm extension. Rub up along your belly center, then spread both arms parallel to the sides. This stimulates core meridians, reduces abdominal bloating, and melts stubborn belly fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Forward bend and leg rub. Gently bend forward and rub down both sides of your legs from thighs to ankles. This clears leg meridians, stimulates blood circulation, and relieves lower back fatigue. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Half squat torso twist. In a gentle half squat with hands on hips, twist your torso slowly side to side. This activates your waistline, burns love handles, and builds pelvic stability. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Holding ball weight shift and twist. Hold an invisible ball with both hands, gently twisting side to side while shifting your weight. This calms your nervous system, improves balance, and eases perimenopausal restlessness. Wonderful job today. Which movement gave your body the greatest relief? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice with me daily for a healthier you.